Hi everyone! Come and join me. Let's draw Pato from Pocoyo. Look at him, just sitting and relaxing. What do you think he's thinking about? Grab your pencil and let's start sketching. Make sure to check out our coloring books on Amazon for even more creative fun. If you search for Pinky Art, you'll find it. Let's have some fun drawing together. Pato is a yellow duck with a long, bendy neck and a big orange beak. His name means duck in Spanish. What sound does a duck make? That's right. Quack, quack. He always wears his green hat, even when he sleeps. What is Pato's favorite thing to wear? Yes, his green hat. Pato loves to keep things organized and tidy. Do you think Pato is more serious or silly? Good answer. He can be both. Are you having fun drawing today? Yay! I'm so happy you're here. Excellent! Our drawing looks amazing. Now it's time to color. What colors will you use? That sounds perfect. What color is Pato's body? That's right. He's bright yellow. Pato is one of Pocoyo's best friends and is always ready to help. Would you like to be friends with Pato? He would love that. Pato enjoys dancing and sometimes moves like a robot. What do you think Pato likes to do for fun? That's a fun idea. He does love to dance. When he gets excited or upset, his beak moves really fast. If you could talk to Pato, what would you say? That sounds so nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Pato loves water and enjoys splashing around in puddles. Even though he can be a little serious, he always has fun with his friends. What do you think Pato is thinking about while sitting? Great idea! Maybe he's planning his next adventure. Wow! Great job drawing Pato today. Pato is sitting so nicely, and we did a fantastic job. If you love coloring, don't forget to check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I'll see you next time.